The Lightning Configuration Wizard is supported on the OmniSwitch 6360 with AOS Release 8.10 or greater, and will be available on the 6465, 6560, and 6570Ms beginning in 8.10 R3 release. To use the Lightning Config Wizard, you will need the ALE switch you wish to configure, a computer with an Ethernet interface, and an Ethernet cable. On the computer, you have the option to receive an IP address from the DHCP server on the switch or set a static of 192.168.0.1. To begin, nothing should be plugged into the switch. Connect the computer to port 1 and plug the switch into power. If the switch is already powered on and connected to any devices, disconnect everything except the laptop and power cycle the switch. The switch will take approximately 3 minutes to boot. Open a Chrome browser and connect to the switch at https 192.168.0.1 using https. When prompted, accept the signed certificate. Log into the switch with the credentials admin switch, and the Lightning Config landing page will be displayed. Verify the recommended defaults, make any updates, and click the Lightning Config button to launch the wizard. Complete each field in the Lightning Config Wizard by entering a unique name for the switch location, a management IP address for the switch, the subnet mask for the switch, the default gateway for the switch. The console prompt will be automatically created based on the name. Always use the caret at the end if you choose to modify this field. And click Save Configuration and click Yes. The Lightning Config Wizard will then apply the configuration to the switch. You will be prompted to change the admin password. Enter the current password switch and enter your new password, making sure it follows the rules on the screen and the two entries match. And click Submit. You will get a green message when this is successful. The Lightning Config Wizard will save all configuration changes and make a backup to the certified directory. Verify the toggle button is the default, copy working certified plus flash synchro, and click Yes. This will take a moment. When completed, the Write Memory Operation Successful message is displayed. We have now completed the Lightning Config Wizard. Click the Alcatel-Lucent Enterprise logo in the upper left corner to return to the main menu. Stay tuned for our next video, Templates, Import, Export, and Customization. This wizard can be used to import, export, and customize configuration templates and much more. Thank you, and remember to visit our community website, spacewalkers.com, for more technical and resource information at spacewalkers.com.